Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, kids. How are you this morning? I hope you are still healthy and strong today, ya. Okay. Our subject now is science, and the topic is about sound. I have question. How are sounds produced? How are sounds produced? The answer is sounds are produced by objects that vibrate. Sounds are produced by objects that vibrate. So when an object vibrates, it makes the air around it vibrates. Yeah, this vibration produces sound. We hear sounds when the vibration reach our ears. Okay, for example, this one. When we speak or sing, yeah, when we speak or sing, our vocal cords vibrate and produce sounds unique to us. Yeah. When we speak, our vocal cords vibrate and produce sounds unique to us. Besides that, this one, the strings of the violin produce sounds when they vibrate. Understand so far? Okay. Next question. What are the uses of sound? What are the uses of sound? The uses of sound: first, warn people of danger. Second, communicate with one another. Third, entertain people. Okay, there are uses of sound. They are warn people of danger, communicate with one another, and then entertain people. Okay, this is warn people of danger from fire alarm, and then communicate with one another, and then entertain people. Okay, so far do you understand about the sound? Okay, great. Thank you for today, and let's continue our science tomorrow. Bye.